Hello everyone. Today we are making Palak Paneer recipe, which is a popular Indian vegetarian dish prepared from paneer in a smooth, creamy and delicious spinach gravy. Begin by blanching 2 bunches of spinach leaves. Boil water in a pot and blanch the spinach for 2 to 3 minutes. Then remove them and immediately transfer them to a bowl of ice cold water. This helps retain their vibrant green color. Once cooled, drain the spinach and blend it into a smooth paste along with grated ginger and roughly chopped garlic if you wish. Or make a crushed paste of ginger, garlic, and green chilli separately in a crusher. Our spinach gravy is ready. Now gather the ingredients: 1 inch piece of ginger grated, 5 to 6 garlic cloves roughly chopped, a tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee, a tablespoon of oil, quarter tablespoon cumin seed, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 bay leaf, pinch of hing, 1 small onion chopped, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 1 medium tomato chopped, half a tablespoon turmeric, red chili powder, and 300 grams of paneer, a tablespoon of fresh cream, salt to taste. Into a hot skillet, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee and now add the chopped paneer cubes and fry until they turn golden and set aside for later use. Into a hot skillet goes 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil, then goes our cumin seeds, let them splatter, then goes a clove, bay leaf and a pinch of asafoetida, salt until aromatic. Now combine our chopped onion and ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Salt until they turn translucent. Salt for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now season with a tablespoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon turmeric powder, salt for taste, and half a tablespoon kasuri methi. Give a nice stir for about a minute. Now add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and mushy. Add 10 ml of water if required, just to infuse the ingredients well into the gravy. Then goes half a cup of grated or finely chopped spinach leaves. Cook briefly for about 2 minutes. Add 2 pinches of crushed coriander seeds. Then goes 100 ml of water to give a soupy texture to the gravy. Strain 2 tablespoons of fresh cream and the prepared spinach paste. Cook until the gravy thickens and the oil separates. Make sure that the oil should separate. Cook until then to avoid the raw flavor of spinach. You can recognize the float of oil on the surface of gravy. There you have our perfect spinach gravy. After 5 minutes, add a pinch of nutmeg powder and a drop of kevra water if desired, which is an optional. Finally goes the fried paneer cubes to the gravy. Mix gently to coat the paneer with the spinach gravy. Stir well and cook for about 2 minutes, keeping the lid closed. Garnish with ginger julienne and a dollop of fresh cream. Serve hot with rice or naan. Enjoy the delicious palak paneer. Please give a try to this recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Please do consider like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking. Namaste.